Alright, so I'm just kind of experimenting here. I don't know if, like, the camera's gonna see much of a difference, but I'm gonna look at this video, and if it turns out good, I'm gonna put it on YouTube. So, here it goes. Well, there's certainly a difference with the wind, isn't there? You can tell with the sound. All I need now is the ability to mount my camera onto my hat here. That'd be real nice. Then I can use both hands with this. But I'm just experimenting here. See if the camera perceives a difference when I apply energy with the sun. Because the camera can't be stuck on, well, it can't object to what it's seeing. It just records, like the subconscious. So like, that's what it is. It's just subconscious of camera. Camera's like the subconscious in that it doesn't care what it's recording, it just records. So in essence, it is a very common, easy to use scientific instrument of sorts if you can find interesting things to catch with it. Things to investigate. Seeing how much this could be rigorously testable. So I perceive sunbursts that somehow work with chi buildup or something. It's weird. I discovered it on accident too. I was just working at shifting the wind one day, trying to work at getting it to kick up, and then suddenly this burst of light just kind of happened. The sun, it's like a subtle burst of light, and then my friend's girlfriend, who's some kind of a Jehovah's Witness or something, noticed it too, and she screamed. I was like, well, I didn't try to do that, but it just happened, you know. It's like maybe we don't have to have an incredible amount of energy internalized in the vessel, but we can acquire a sensitivity to outer energy and get in touch with it and get external things to interact. People call it control. It's not control. If I'm able to like control, for example, sun shifting, I'd be able to like somehow bring a pillar of fire out of the sun, like what maybe at least one or few ancients might have done. Maybe, I don't know how many might have done something like that, but it'd be quite a weapon, or at least a defense, so you can do some kind of thing that causes the Red Sea or the Reed Sea to depart or something. That would take a lot of energy to do. But maybe it's at this level, it's not so extreme to where someone could automatically think it's like fake or something on video, but just some kind of subtle thing to test with, kind of like it's like some kind of way to look at it more, in a way that's not too outrageous. I don't know, it's like, I suppose you can call it more objective, because that wouldn't be a usual thing at all if someone were to bring a pillar of fire out of the sun. Like, I guess it's got to be something that's relatively closer to what people can conceive in order to be introduced, at least as like a subtle thing that can happen. So I think this video is going a little too long, but hey, you know, at least it won't hurt your eyes because we got this camera filtering the sun rays and stuff, and it's not hurting my eyes either because I got the got the camera right in the way of the sun's light, so it'll be alright. So yeah, so I hope that turns out alright. I'm just kind of experimenting. Just keep it at that. I'm not like saying I could do something outrageous, but I'm just experimenting, because I know there's a lot more to this. It's just some subtle phenomenon for now. Alright, so I guess next videos I'm gonna do a couple more brain chemicals. And, you know what? Throw in a request or something for a certain person's name to be read. And like, I want to see who might first or second it. I don't care if you dislike the reading video or something. Come up with a different option that you would want to do reading for, even if you're an atheist out there. If you're an atheist, whose name do you want to me to do a reading for of in a little bit? Let me know. Alright, well, have an awesome life experiment. Alright.